Creating a summery light. In this video, we will use a flash to create a summery light. The flash we will be using is Godox 8200. First, we will shoot from the front and bounce the light from the ceiling. The flash should be set about 1 meter distance from the ceiling. We want the white balance to have a summery look, so we will set it to a cool tone with a slightly lower color temperature. We could take a nice photo from the front with the light bouncing from the ceiling. But we want it to look more summery, so let's move the flash closer to the ceiling. The flash is set at about 50 cm distance from the ceiling. As you move it closer to the ceiling, the light becomes warmer and the shadows become clearer. I want to make the photo even clearer, so I will press the flash to hit the subject directly. Because it is a direct flash, the contrast is too strong, which isn't very good. So I will try again with a flash closer to the ceiling. This time, I'll set it at about 10 cm distance. The photo is closer to what I had imagined with the clearer shadows and a weaker contrast. To lighten the shadow density a bit more, I'll use another strobe as an auxiliary. By bouncing the light from the wall behind the camera, the light will fill the whole room and we can make the shadows brighter. Let's take a photo. The shadows are clearer, and the density is brighter, resulting in a photo with a summery glow. You can express any season by changing the direction, quality, and the color of the light. Flashes are so interesting, aren't they?